What's the meaning of cremation? Cremation. Cremation.
Cremation. Cremation. Cremation is the practice of turning a dead body into ashes by burning it at high temperatures. The body is placed in a special furnace, called a cremation chamber, where it is heated to around 1,400 to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. During this process, the body's organic matter is consumed by fire and turned into ash. The ashes are then collected and put into an urn or scattered in a designated location chosen by the deceased or their loved ones. Cremation has become a popular alternative to traditional burial and is considered a more eco-friendly option.